Hi, today in front of me Redmi Notes and LITE, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the X-Icon Changer application from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. After that, click to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available applications, which icons you can change. For example, let's change the contacts icon. You can rename it if you want. Also, we can see here the library with different folders with the different icons. You can use them or photos from your device gallery or to open the camera and take a picture right now. Let's use one from these available icons. Tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should just allow the permissions. Okay. Other permissions, home screen shortcuts, always allow, go back, tap to OK once again in the right upper corner, click to the right upper corner to skip it, tap to X icon, and now just click go to desktop or to change next icon by the same way. So let's just see the new look of the contacts, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.